Ever pondered the mesmerizing azure hue of the sky overhead? If not, brace yourself, for soon enough inquisitive friends or curious kids will undoubtedly pose this question. Join us on this exhilarating journey to unravel the secrets behind this breathtaking phenomenon. But before we dive into the heart of the matter, let's acquaint ourselves with some fundamental scientific principles presented in a breezy and accessible manner. Recall from your school days that white light is an amalgamation of myriad colors, ranging from the warm fiery red to the distant ethereal indigo and violet. Technically, these various hues are distinguished by their wavelengths, with red boasting the longest and violet possessing the shortest. Now picture this. When a photon or light ray collides with an atom or molecule in the Earth's atmosphere, it is promptly absorbed and subsequently emitted. Thus, the light that finally reaches our eyes has undergone countless cycles of absorption and emission by atmospheric particles. Enter the concept of scattering, a pivotal player in this cosmic spectacle. It is important to note that the emitted light doesn't always adhere to the same path as the incoming light. Think of it as two billiard balls colliding and scattering in different directions. Here's the clincher. Shorter wavelengths scatter much more on average than their longer counterparts. In simple words, blue balls scatter far more exuberantly than the red balls. Now consider the sensitivity of the human eye, a marvel in itself. On average, our retinas house 64% red cones, 32% green cones, and a mere 2% blue cones. However, when we examine the sensitivity graph, a surprising revelation emerges. Those 2% blue cones wield extraordinary sensitivity, punching well above their weight in the color perception arena. If you feel like heavily equipped, let's take aim at our target. Earth, our beloved abode, and the radiant sun, our celestial neighbor. As sunlight traverses the layers of our atmosphere, blue balls scatter highly from the air molecules, while the red balls remain steadfast. If you were to stand at this juncture, you would find that blue, indigo, and violet light seem to emanate from all directions, inundating your eyes. The blue cones interpret the combined effect of these colors as bright blue to your brain. The result? The sky appears an enchanting shade of blue. But change your vantage point and the sun gracefully dips below the horizon. Since red light maintains its straightforward path, it reaches your eyes, while almost all the blue light has been scattered away before reaching you. That's how nature paints the sunset for you. That's all about the blue sky. Now you are armed with the knowledge to astonish those around you. And if you find yourself needing a refresher, simply rewind this video. And if you are a science enthusiast, stay tuned as we have more captivating content coming your way. Ever wondered if you could replicate this celestial display at home? Well, you can, with the help of an unlikely accomplice, the humble cow. Secure a sizable transparent tank or tub, akin to an aquarium, and fill it with water. Add a dash of milk, creating a translucent concoction. Now cast a gleaming LED white light upon one side. Observe as the mixture transitions from blue near the light source to warm orange and red as you move away. Voila! You have recreated the atmospheric marvel within the confines of your home. Prepare to bask in the admiration of your classmates. You have just become the resident expert. If this video has left you enlightened, don't forget to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. And now, here are two thought-provoking questions for you to ponder and answer in the comments section. Firstly, why are emergency symbols predominantly colored red, even though our eyes exhibit high-end sensitivity to blue and green light? Secondly, why the sky isn't a shade of violet or indigo? Share your insights. What's on the horizon for my next video? That's where you come in again. Suggest your ideas in the comments below. Until then, take care and stay curious.